Dear colleagues and friends, it's a pleasure for me, Lars Edvinsson from Sweden, Lund University, to discuss with you some novel aspects of migraine medication. We have now, as you know, 4 monoclonal antibodies acting towards the CGRP mechanisms in migraine. Soon we will have another 4 small molecules, the GPANs, coming also into Europe for this task. However, in common, we are still at large not knowing exactly how they work. I will, in my talk, discuss 3 possibilities for action of these CGRP acting drugs. The first is on the intracranial vasculature, where we know there are CGRP receptors on the smooth muscle cells. The second is the interaction between the C fibers and A delta fibers, precisely at the nodes of Ranvier. And third is the trigeminal ganglion, where we have neurons and satellite glial cells that express CGRP and CGRP receptors. These interactions might be also an important site. So I welcome you very much to Paris to join me at this conference and our discussions there. Welcome.